The process undertaken by the General Investigation Committee and staff to better understand the settlement agreement and, by extension, any investigation into unethical actions by General Paxton has maintained the highest standards of integrity and professionalism. The investigation began in mid-March and was led by a team of experienced state and federal prosecutors, former public integrity unit leaders, and law enforcement personnel. Our chief counsel and committee director brought her experience as a public prosecutor, former assistant United States attorney for the Southern District of Texas, and federal prosecutor as her role as chief counsel. We had a career prosecutor with over 25 years of experience, including experience as a division chief of a public integrity unit in Texas, a seasoned attorney with 12 years as a federal prosecutor for the U.S. Attorney's Office for the Southern District of Texas. Another dedicated prosecutor whose experience includes being chief prosecutor for major fraud and public integrity matters. A former law enforcement captain with over 40 years of experience with high-profile complex cases, and an experienced criminal defense attorney with private investigator experience based out of Galveston County who's worked many high-profile cases. The General Investigating Committee requested this team of highly qualified professionals to conduct an inquiry into the whistleblower lawsuit settlement, issues related to the lawsuit, and to make an inquiry into the policies, procedures, and actions of the Office of the Attorney General, and specifically Mr. Paxton. While these individuals are known conservatives among legal circles, they are above all professionals with the requisite skills and experience to conduct an investigation of this magnitude and importance. This team was further tasked to ensure they maintained an independent and objective investigation, and was clear with all witnesses and stakeholders that the purview of the investigation was not tied only to the whistleblower settlement, but to the broader information sought on the policies, procedures, and actions of the OAG. The team methodically reviewed hundreds of records, including court filings, reports, past depositions, and related documents, including what is commonly known as the OAG report, concerning the Office of the Attorney General's own investigation into the actions alleged as a basis of the whistleblower's lawsuit. The OAG report, I will note, serves as Paxton's statement of defense to the allegations raised by the whistleblowers, and contains a multitude of statements that were disproved by our committee's investigation. And I think this is very important, members. Furthermore, the report was available on the OAG website at least as recently as May 23rd, the day before the committee's public hearing. It has since been removed. The team also conducted 15 detailed interviews of individuals involved in these allegations to further determine a timeline of events and establish consistency in background information and facts. The research and investigatory findings by the attorneys, professional investigators that compose this team act as our basis of the articles of impeachment you see before here today. We ask you, as faithfully elected members of the Texas House, to consider the overall context of these findings to determine who benefited from these actions and whether a pattern of not just unethical, but possibly criminal action is found. Thank you.